Is the stock market about to crash? Is the end of the world about to come? Well, let's discuss it on this show right now. And I think you're going to be quite surprised at what you're about to hear, because all over YouTube now, all you're getting is the end of the world's coming from all the biggest YouTubers. And you know why that is? Well, because drama sells on YouTube. The reality is this is not entertainment, even though I try to make my show entertaining. Investing can be quite boring. Warren Buffett has often said, this is not a place for entertainers. This is a place for education. This is a place for discipline over time. Now, I built my YouTube channel because I wanted to do something different. You'll never see me with a sad face. You will never see me telling you the world is coming to the end, because it simply isn't true. I've learned in my life that hard work and education and sticking to your principles long term will always win. And I can tell you that I left home at 16 and I had my first home by the time I was 19. I had no money given to me by anyone. I just worked my ass off. And now years later, I invest here on the stock market. I've done this after I paid off my mortgage, after I paid off all my credit cards, after I paid off my car loan. So I'm in a position where I can now invest. Now, when I came into the market just a year or so ago, in fact, 14 months ago, I had just $5,000. That's all I had in savings, not a lot of money, but that's what I was investing in. And I know that you can make money from money. You don't have to borrow money. You can use margin if you like to a certain degree, but you don't go overboard with it, because I believe that you can make money from money itself if you stick to your principles and you invest in good quality stocks. Now, I started investing, and as you can see, my portfolio is up to 40,050. It was actually higher than this in December, but things did crash. We did have a war in Ukraine. We've still got the war, and there's a lot of fear and stress and worry in the world. But right now, the reality is we are living online with social media. Social media, more than any other time, controls everybody's emotions. Whether you are a serious investor or you're just merely browsing the internet and trying to get a little bit of exposure into stocks and shares, you are unfortunately influenced by what you see and hear on YouTube. And on YouTube right now, and I've just gone through hundreds of YouTube channels, I haven't found one with a positive, smiling face. Not one, until you find my channel. Because I believe there's a lot to be positive about. I believe the world is an amazing place. There's always opportunities. There's always a chance to make money. There's always a bull market somewhere. And my job is to find it. And there always is an opportunity somewhere to make money. Now, the reality is, unfortunately, happy smiling faces with a positive message don't get viewers. I don't care about that. I'm not trying to grow the biggest YouTube channel in the world, but I am trying to grow the best, most honest, most real YouTube channel in the world. Every day, 10 hours a day, I trade live here from my studio, which I have built purposely to be hopefully the best quality experience for you, the viewer. Everything you see here is live. I'm not editing this video. This is all done live. As I talk to you, as I trade, everything is live. My emotions are real. Everything I say is real. The investors who join me every day are real. They're sharing with you their real trades, their real positions. And we are a small YouTube channel. We are growing, but we are quite small, and I don't expect this video to get millions of views, because it's not doom and gloom here on our channel. It's reality. And unfortunately, we live in a world where everybody is drawn to doom and gloom and predictions to the end of the world. Well, the reality is I believe in the stocks I own, and I'll happily share them with you. If you look below this video, you can get them all on my Discord. I share my entire portfolio, and every day you see this is my real money, my real shares. I've got no money anywhere else other than a couple of $1,000. Everything here is real. If this goes to zero, I lose all my money. All of it, every single penny. Unlike other YouTubers who will tell you that the world is coming to the end, and behind the scenes there's millions of dollars banked up in the bank with money they've made from YouTube, from selling you the dream of everything is coming to an end. Well, I'm afraid I can't tell you that, because I believe the world has a lot to offer. I believe the shares I'm investing in, which is the future, EVs, space, solar, wind technologies, what's regarded as high risk stock, I don't regard as high risk at all, because I see where the future is going. Now, what makes a stock price go up? What makes everyone predict that the end of the world is coming? It's quite simple as this. Stocks go up when people buy them, and stocks go down when people sell them. And right now, we are living in a world which is influenced mainly by online social media and Reddit. Take the AMC, take GameStop and all these other things, Bed Bath and Beyond, ridiculous companies that you shouldn't be investing in, but people are doing it because people are lazy. They want to get rich really quick for doing absolutely nothing. It's why crypto has taken off. It's why so many people have bought into Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, don't get me wrong. I think crypto has a place. I've made some money on crypto. I am currently pretty much out of crypto, because I'm expecting it to go down and I'm going to buy it when it does. But I don't care if it goes up. It doesn't matter. My money's invested with things like Tesla and Virgin Galactic and all these other great, amazing companies, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. Now, you might say some of the stocks I have are quite boring. It's not rock and roll. Well, it maybe isn't rock and roll. But at the end of the day, I'm not here to present something with dramatic headlines or doom and gloom. I'm here just to make money. That's all. And all I want to do is turn my $5,000. It's now at $40,000. And at the end of this year will be $100,000. And by next year, it'll be $200,000. Then I will move into dividend stocks, and then I will be having a nice 20% a year on dividend stocks. And that's all I need. I don't need to be or even desire to be the richest man on YouTube or the richest man anywhere. As long as I've got 200,000 portfolio, that will pay me a decent dividend and I can live on that because all I want to do is walk to the pub on a Sunday. I've got my house, everything is fine, and I'm happy. So what you're seeing here is real and genuine, and I can tell you that the world isn't coming to an end. And quite frankly, if it is coming to an end, what the heck does it matter how much money you've got in your stocks and shares anyway? So every week I'm continually investing the money, the small amount of money I get from YouTube, because I'm a small YouTuber. Because remember, doom and gloom is what sells the video, and just reality and facts, they don't sell anything. But I invest a little bit of money I make in YouTube all the time straight back into my stocks and shares, and I'm growing steadily and I'm happy. I've got no fear, I've got no stress, I've got no drama. So there you go. But you may have noticed on this video, for the very first time, I used a thumbnail which describes the world coming to an end. I wanted to see what would happen on this video if I did say that doom and gloom and the world's coming to an end, and then explain why I don't think it's coming to an end. So if you are tired of every day waking up and hearing the world's coming to an end and China is about to affect the stock market in the US and the UK and everything's about to go to zero, then join me here on The Day Trader. We do things differently. I'm probably the only YouTuber I know, and I've checked hundreds, will actually share with you my live trades, my real positions, that every single penny I have in the world. Why do I do that? Because I want it to be the best YouTube channel in the world, not the biggest or the most dramatic or one that makes the most money. Just the most real and the most honest. So if you want that and you want to be part of my family, join me every day when I trade live here on YouTube for the opening bell and the closing bell. One thing I guarantee you will see is real positions, real honest investments, where I see the world going and not where I want it to be, just so hopefully you'll click on my video and watch it. Because we need, don't we, a real YouTube channel which tells you the truth. And you can't get more real than this. This is my real money live trading for you. I hope to see you join me live on my next show. I'm live every day for the opening and closing bell and breaking news throughout the day. Take care of yourselves and each other. Keep investing. The world ain't coming to an end. Take care.